Good day, I am Sir Nel and welcome to my class. Today, we will going to talk about the measures of position, decile for ungrouped data. So last meeting we've discussed about the quartiles of an ungrouped data. So kung nasundan nyo yung discussion natin last meeting, madali na lang ninyong makukuha ang decile for an ungrouped data. Okay, before we will going to proceed on our discussion, let us be guided on our learning objectives. So at the end of the lesson, you or the students are expected to define what is measures of position for decile of ungrouped data, determine the deciles of an ungrouped data, and solve deciles value of an ungrouped data. Moving on, let us first define what is decile. Okay, when we say decile, these are values that divided the dataset into 10 equal parts. There are 9 deciles which are denoted as decile 1, decile 2, decile 3, and so on till decile 9. So as you can see here on our figure, meron tayo ditong buong set and it is divided into 10 equal parts. As you can see doon sa baba ng figure, nakadenote dyan yung decile 1, decile 2, decile 3, and so on. If the data are arranged in ascending order, decile 1 would mean that 10% of the data lie below it. Decile 2 would mean that 20% of the data lie below it also. So as you can see here on our figure, we have here decile 1, decile 2, and decile 3. So when we say decile 1, sinasabi na 10% ng data ay naka-under kay decile 1. Decile 2 naman ay 20% ng data ay naka-under sa kanya. Decile 3, 30% pataas ng pataas hanggang makarating tayo sa 100%. Okay, next. Deciles are computed in the same way as the quartiles. So, gaya ng sinabi ko kanina, kung nakuha nyo yung computation natin in quartiles, madali na lang nasundan ang computation for deciles. So, here are the steps na kailangan natin gawin when getting the decile of an ungrouped data. Of course, first, we need to arrange the data in an ascending order. Pag sinabi nating ascending order, from least to greatest, okay? Mula sa pinakamaliit hanggang sa pinakamalaking data natin. After that, we need to locate the position of the deciles in the dataset. So, kailangan na nating hanapin yung position ng decile natin sa dataset natin. And after that, we need to find the value in the dataset. When getting the decile of an ungrouped data, ito yung formula na ginagamit natin. D of k is equal to k multiplied by n plus 1 over 10. Okay, kung ano yung hinahanap nating decile, yun din yung ilalagay natin or isa-substitute natin doon sa k natin sa formula. Yung n natin represents the sample space or kung ilan yung laman or kung ilan yung nasa may dataset natin. Now, let us proceed on our examples. So for example number 1, we have here, Mr. Ling is an English teacher. He is interested in the reading speed of his students. The following are the numbers of words his students can read in 1 minute. So nandito nakalagay yung numbers of words his students can read in 1 minute. As you can see here, nandito yung 50, 25, 23, 30, and so on. Nakikita natin siya dito. Ngayon, ang hinihingi, we need to find the 7th decile. So, ano nga ba ang gagawin natin? We need to follow the step by step para makuha natin yung 7th decile. Okay, step 1, ano ang una nating gagawin? We need to arrange the numbers of words read by the students in 1 minute in ascending order. So ulit, pag sinabi nating ascending order, mula sa pinakamaliit hanggang sa pinakamalaki. So we need to arrange it in an ascending order. As you can see, in-arrange natin siya into ascending order. Nauuna yung 10, sinusundan ng 11, 11, 12, and so on. For our second step, we need to locate the position of decile 7 using our formula. So from decile 7 is equal to k multiplied by n plus 1 over 10. And take note that we need to round up our answer into the nearest integer. Okay, now since there are 15 values in the dataset, then our n is equal to 15. And we are looking for decile 7, of course, our K is 7. So using the formula, ito yung magiging sagot natin. From decile 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by 15 plus 1 over 10. So 15 plus 1 is equal to 16, right? So 7 multiplied by 16 over 10. Magiging ang sagot natin is 112 over 10. So kapag dinivide natin ang 112 into 10, magiging 11.2 yung sagot natin. And palagi nating tatandaan that we need to round up to the nearest integer. So from 11.2, makukuha natin ang 12. Now for our third step, we need to find the 12 value in the dataset. So kailangan nating hanapin yung pang number 12 doon sa may dataset natin. So we need to, or kailangan nating bilangin yung dataset natin. And as you can see here on our figure, yung pang number 12 natin is yung 25. Ibig sabihin yung decile 7 natin ay nag-a-under kay 25. Okay, so ganun lang kadali sundan yung formula natin in an step-by-step in getting the deciles of an ungrouped data. Okay, let us proceed on our second example. Find the 7th decile or decile 7 of the following test scores of random sample of 10 students taking online learning: 25, 36, 22, 34, 42, 39, 28, 30, 43, and 37. So given yung sample natin or yung data natin in an sa random order. So kailangan nating tatandaan that our first step is to arrange our data in an ascending order. So from that random order, makukuha natin ang 22, 25, 28, 30, 34, 36, 37, 39, 42, and 43. Okay, for our second step naman, we need to locate the position of decile 7 using our formula. Since we are finding decile number 7, i-replace natin yung K natin into 7, and meron tayong 10 na total number ng data natin sa value, or yung value natin into data. So 10 ang magiging n natin. Ngayon, proceed tayo sa solution natin. From decile 7 is equal to 7 multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 10 is equal to, as you can see, k replaced into 7. So 7 multiplied by, yung n natin ay naging 10, so 10 plus 1 over 10. Okay? So is equal to 7. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 7 multiplied by 11 over 10. So kapag ginawa natin yon, 7 multiplied by 11 is 77 over 10. Ang magiging sagot natin ay 7.7. And we need to, or kailangan nating tandaan that kailangan nating i-round up to the nearest integer. So from 7.7 magiging 8 siya. Ngayon, for our step 3, we need to find the 8th value in the dataset. So from bibilangin natin kung pang ilan or kung nasaan yung 8 value natin. So from that, decile 7 is equal to 39. As you can see, dun sa given data natin, 39, yun yung pang 8 na value doon sa data natin. That is why decile 7 is equal to 39. Okay, let's proceed on our last example. In Mr. Ling's class, Guinevere finished her exam in just 30 minutes. The time Guinevere spent in answering the test is the 8th decile. What does this mean? So ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin na si Guinevere daw ay natapos or nasagutan niya in just 30 minutes yung exam, and yung 30 na yun ay nagda-down siya into 8th decile? Ano nga ba ang ibig nung sabihin? Okay, pwede nyo siyang sagutan sa journal notebook nyo and picturean nyo and then isend nyo sa akin and I will check your answers. Okay, so when you are watching this lesson, for your attendance, you need to follow this hashtag. I-type nyo siya and i-paste nyo in sa comment section and I will check your attendance there na lang. Okay? Thank you for watching. I hope na marami kayong natutunan sa lesson natin for today.